Hello and welcome back friends. I am your digital mentor Ankit in Aanav Creation. So today we are going to start our new topic, creating actionable insights from your data. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications. Like this video and share this video as well. Let's get started. Welcome back friends. As you all know, our today's topic is creating actionable insights from your data. If you want any previous video, just go to the like button and you can get all the details. So website analytics can offer a wealth of information about who is visiting your website and where they came from. But while collecting data is important, knowing what to do with this information is what can truly add values to a business. In this lesson, we will explain what actionable insights are, how to identify them, and how you can use metrics to turn your data into a story that can improve your business as well. So, how do we define an insight? To put it simply, it's analyzing why something has happened. Insights are critical to determine actions and to help you focus on what is important to your business goals. An actionable insight takes this analysis one step further and determines what to do next so that you can successfully improve and refine what you are doing. To uncover your own actionable insights, try following these 6 steps. Define your goals, clearly outline what your campaign aims to achieve, collect the data, gather and organize any statistics or information relevant to your goals, interpret the data, analyze trends and any deviations from those trends to see how this has affected meeting your goals. Develop recommendations. Provide justified suggestions on how to improve business practices based on what you have learned from your data analysis. Take action. Put your recommendations into practice and create an action plan to test your assumptions as well. And finally, review your outcomes. Evaluate whether your actions have had the desired impact and make note of how you can further optimize to improve results. Let's look at an outline example that explores how data can lead to actionable insights. Sonia is part of a team responsible for planning a charity fun run, and this year her goal is to get to 50 people to register. As her goal is to increase attendance, the data she collects from her analytics software could include how many people completed the sign up form, which online channel they used to register, and how many people shared posts on social media as well. Analytics revealed that the social media channels are the main source of signups, so next Sonia wants to determine which social media posts were most effective at driving registrations. When interpreting the data, the trend emerges that registered runners who shared the charity social media post on their personal account generated the highest number of new registrations as well. By looking at these insights, Sonia can conclude that registered runners become powerful ambassadors and are able to spread the word of the race quickly and efficiently, engaging more signups. So to turn this into an actionable insight, Sonia now needs to combine the data gathered with an action that can put her research to good use. For example, she could design a series of social media posts that provide easy instructions on how registered runners can promote the fun run across their own social networks. Let's look at a case study from a real business that used actionable insights to help them reach their goals. I started my own brand Buttercups about 2 years ago, but I have been retailing international lingerie brands for about 8 years now in India. We have analytics to show where our customer is, what she is looking for, and how she is looking for it. We focus on a type of customer who is probably looking for certain kind of products that we know for a fact she will need for an undergarment that we make. So things like that we have helped us actually reach with very small amount spent, reach a very large audience very quickly and have them converted to customers. So I think digitalizing have been given us growth that we would never seen if we had been not digital. Now that we have explored how to draw actionable insights from data, think about how you can use your online data to make a decision you are currently facing. What would you like to learn from the information you have available, and how can an actionable insight help bring you close to your goals? I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon, and don't forget to share this video as well. Thank you very much. Have a good day.